In a bustling workshop, a team unveils a radical build that fuses drone tech with a rugged pickup. The aim is more than speed, it is terrain sensing with LiDAR and mapping paths in real time. A former rally driver explains how a tuned suspension soaks bumps while keeping passengers safe and comfortable under pressure. Cameras, night vision, and adaptive lighting turn the truck into a mobile field lab for harsh climates. As the sun dips, the team crosses a shallow river, proving extreme modifications can blend grit with safety.